Hello and good morning to everyone. Welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my seventh lesson of plotting of linear inequalities in two variables D4 exercise 1A. In this lesson, I will be completing question number 1 F part. Before going to the lesson, there are some key points that we have to understand. That equation of vertical line is x equals to a, equation of horizontal line is y equals to c, and for all greater than equal to and less than equal to inequality conditions, we are going to mark the perfect line, the complete line, and for just greater than and less than conditions, we will be marking broken line. Let's read the question carefully. Question says, show unshaded the regions satisfied by given inequalities. What does it mean? It means the regions which are associated with these linear inequality conditions, we are not going to shade them. Let's move to the first inequality condition, that is y less than x plus 3. We know that for plotting purpose, we have to turn this inequality expression in form of equation. And then we have to plot that. Here I've turned this expression in form of equation, and for plotting purpose I'm going to use intercepts. For x intercept, put y equals to 0 in given equation. Replace y equals to 0, and when I will be putting y 0, I will get x plus 3 and x equals to minus 3. So I'm getting one of the point A, minus 3 with 0. For y intercept, what I have to do, I have to make my x 0 in given equation, and when I'm replacing x 0 over here, my y value comes 3, so the second point can be B 0 with 3. Quickly plot these points on the graph paper. Plot the points on the graph paper. So the first point is A, minus 3 with 0. Here x value is minus 3, so the point will be marked at this point. And the second point is B0, 3. That will be marked on y-axis. Now please draw the line that will pass through these 2 points. Carefully draw the line that will pass through these 2 points. Draw the line. Okay, this is my line, y equals to x plus 3. Y equals to x plus 3. Now the problem comes that on which side of this line, either above or below, I have to shade. For that, use test point. And for test point, what I will be doing, I will be replacing my x value and y value 0 in given inequality condition 0 less than 3. What do you think? Is 0 less than 3? Is 0 less than 3? Yes, 0 is less than 3. It is true. So in actual situation, my shading has to be below the line. My shading has to be below the line. But as the question says that I do not have to shade actual region, so I will be shading above this line. Shading will be above the line. So shade it carefully. Okay, this is the region for this inequality situation. Let's move to the next inequality situation, that x less than equals to 5. This is the equation for x equals to 5. First, draw the line at x equals to 5. Here I'm going to draw the line x equals to 5. X equals to 5. X equals to 5. Now I have to decide that either towards the right or the left of this line I have to shade. If we look at the inequality condition, we can see that we need values of x which are lesser than 5, So what we have to do is that we need the values of x towards the left side of this line. So that region I'm not going to shade. That region I'm not going to shade. I will be shading on the right of this line. Right side of this line, right side of this line, I have to shade towards right side of this line. Right hand side of this line. Here, one thing that I want to discuss with you people, that in first part the inequality condition is less than, so we have to draw the broken line. So for clear understanding, I will be shading different pen for that purpose. That will be giving the effect of broken line. Okay. So we do not have to shade. So here I just want to give you the comparison that for the greater than equal to and less than equal to condition, you are going to plot the perfect line, and for less than condition, you are going to draw the broken line. Now I hope you are clear that why I was discussing this point over here. Coming to the third inequality condition, that is y greater than equals to -1. First, turn this inequality condition in form of equation y equals to -1. Here I have y equals to -1. So plot the line at that point. Plot the line at that point. First, y equals to -1. This is the line y equals to -1. Now I have to decide either above this line or below this line. I have to shade. I need values of y which are greater than -1, like 0, 1, 2. These values of y are greater than -1. It means I need the region on above side of this line. So I'm not going to shade this region because this is the required region. This is the demand of the question. So I will be moving on the bottom side of this line. My shading will be coming towards below side of this line. Shade it carefully and nicely. Shade it carefully and nicely. Okay, if we look at the whole diagram, we can see that this is the region which is not shaded by all three inequalities. So it is our required region. We have to mark and label it with letter R. So I hope through these 7 lessons you are clear about how to plot and shade different linear inequality conditions. And please, for better understanding of next lesson, catch me in the next class. Don't forget to watch, share and subscribe the channel. Press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. And please write your comments in comment section. Thank you very much.